Are we in a Rocket League car? Is that a real thing? This totally looks like it's from Rocket League. This is awesome. Look at that. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Xbox Series X. If you're interested in this console or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. The first link you'll see if you're in the US will take you to our Amazon live stream unboxing this console live. And you can shop and find this Xbox Series X in the carousel along with some other items that you might be interested in. Here's a look at the retail box and packaging. From the front, we have our 1 terabyte SSD for our storage, 4K 120 FPS. We have additional tech specs on the side right here, like 8K HDR. We also have variable refresh rate, 4K Blu-ray. They walk you through what's included. Other side just has a great photograph of the console and controller. And on the very back, we have a beautiful picture from Forza 5, expanding on some of the features that are mentioned on the side. Now let's go ahead, let's open this up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. First up, we have our product literature featuring our safety and warranty information. This does come with a 1-year warranty. Next, we have our setup guide, 3 simple steps to download the Xbox app to get our Xbox set up. It's a free app available for iOS and Android devices, and they even have a QR code you can scan. We have nice details about the back of our Xbox and all of our connection options. Here's a look at the other side, walking us through how to install the batteries in the controller and how to connect and pair the controller to the Xbox. This does come with 2 AA batteries for the controller, and they are Duracell OEM batteries. We have 2 cables. One's our power cord and cable. The second one is our HDMI cable right here. We have 1 included controller. Really nice. Good size, comfortable, and it's got a textured grip on the back. I really like that grip. You can see all the buttons and controls. All different sides and angles. And then we can pop off this cover to install the 2 included batteries. Lastly, we have the Xbox itself. Let's go ahead, let's look at that in more detail. Here's a look at the front of the Xbox. So we have our power button with Xbox logo and branding on it. We have our eject button right here for our Blu-ray disc drive, our pairing button for our controller, and 1 USB port on the front. Let's flip it over to the side right here. So if you want to have your Xbox laying down horizontally, we have 4 feet right here that you can put it on. We'll flip it around to the other side, where we have the Xbox logo and branding right here. So again, if you wanted to have it down this way, if you're looking at it from our main camera right here, that's how it would look for you with the little Xbox logo up at the top. You can still access all your controls and everything. Next, we'll look at it from the very top. This looks cool. We got our cheese grater vibes with green on the inside. I love that Xbox green. I want the whole console green. There's a massive fan up top. Now we'll flip it over to the back side right here. Looks like we got some venting. We have our additional product info with our Kensington security lock, 2 additional USB ports, bringing our total to 3. Storage expansion. You don't have to take anything apart to add a drive. You can just connect it directly right here. Ethernet connection if you want to hardwire in. We have our power plug, and we have our HDMI out right here. And lastly, let's look at the very bottom. Pretty cool. So this is our base stand to keep it vertical if that's the position that you want. We got Xbox right here and hello from Seattle. Now let's go ahead, let's plug it in, power it on, and try it out. Everything's been set up. The first screen you get to when you turn on your console is a unique code and a prompt to download the Xbox app for your iOS or Android device. You'll follow a couple simple steps. It should take 1 to 2 minutes tops to get everything set up. Then, depending on your internet speed, however long and large the update file is, that'll be the longest time for you. I have really fast internet here, so I think the whole thing took us less than maybe 3 or 4 minutes. Also, if you want to choose more streaming apps, things like that, that might slow your setup process down as those have to download. But again, that'll just vary depending on your internet connection and speeds. It's very, very quick to set everything up. Here's your main home screen with our tile for easy navigation to find our streaming apps, games, all of that good stuff. We have our profile information up in the top left-hand corner. We have some system info in the top right-hand. Got our mic mute. We have our battery level indicator for our controller, and we have our system time. Let's just browse the interface. We have the 3 streaming apps that I chose to download. Nothing else has been downloaded on this Xbox, and that was during the initial setup. So super convenient that can be done right at the start. So it's already here the first time it boots up. We have our settings. We'll come back to that. You'll see we have our store, Game Pass, entertainment, events, upcoming events with your favorite games. We have our community updates, suggested apps. Most of these are just Microsoft apps. And then add more option if you want Xbox Live Gold. And we have additional suggestions down there. So that's a quick look at the interface. Very easy to use and navigate. Just choose what you want to stream or play right from the top right there. Now let's go over some of the system settings. So I want to walk you through our general settings here, our TV and display options. Let's talk about that for a minute. So we have a 1080p monitor here, so we have the correct resolution. We can adjust the refresh rate, so up to 120, which is great. This monitor does support that. Then we have our device control settings. So depending on your device, you might have some options here. Same with 4K TVs. If you have this connected to a 4K TV, you'll want to take advantage of that. So make sure you have the proper resolution, refresh rate, and set up everything right here, and you can calibrate your TV. Then we have some advanced video modes for you HDR snobs, Dolby Vision snobs, all of that good stuff. You can change, you configure that depending on your display, right? So in my case, some of this is grayed out. We don't have the option because it's not 4K, doesn't support HDR, things like that. So there you go. That's your advanced display options. You can see all the other general settings there. Here's our account settings. You can manage your subscriptions, family settings, things like that. Also want to walk you through the system settings where we can do our updates, backup and transfer. And then I want to show you the storage devices here. So currently by default with those 3 streaming apps downloads, that's not going to take up much space at all. We have usable 802 gigabytes total and 798.6 gigabytes free. So that's going to be about the maximum amount of internal storage you're going to get out of this brand new setup like we have here with no games or anything else. 798 gigabytes is what you can realistically expect for the built-in storage, so keep that in mind. Then you can see our devices and connections, preferences, and accessibility settings right there. So very easy to navigate and find exactly what you're looking for. Now let's have some fun. Let's play some games. All right, we got Fortnite pulled up right here. Check it out. Everything looks great. We got our FPS counter. We did enable 120 FPS for Fortnite. Look at how good the gameplay footage looks as we just create a lot of movement and motion here around the battle bus. All right, we're gonna jump out. We're skydiving right now. I mean, look at this. We'll spin around. Obviously, a lot of that will depend on your monitor, the screen that you're using, but in regards to how the graphics look, right, the performance of the console, smooth, fluid gameplay. Really, really nice. Responsive. We're rocking close to 120 FPS still, as you can see. All right, are we in a Rocket League car? Is that a real thing? This totally looks like it's from Rocket League. This is awesome. Look at that. So cool. And again, just pay attention to the graphics. Everything looks great. Is that a wild hog? All right. Got him. So amazing. So fun. Look at that. Dude. All right, we got a bad guy here. We get him? Look at this little sneaky guy. All right. Come on. What the heck? Dude. Got him. I see you, sneaky man. Got him. Got him. Clean up duty. All right, I picked up a buddy. Who's shooting at us? Can we do it? Got him. Okay. Oh, did my guy die? Oh, that's so sad. Now we got Rocket League pulled up right here. All right, I'm really excited. I usually only play this on the PC, so it'll be nice not having the keyboard and mouse and using a controller. So far, everything looks nice. Look at the stadium. Let's go. What's my turbo? All right, B is boost. All right, we already got a goal. We'll take it. That was easy. Glad I could help. Good job, dude. Pooped it right in. Oh, man. Why'd my own teammate hit me? All right, we got another goal. I'm doing a lot here, if you can't tell. Got it! Oh, no, I missed! No! All right, at least we demolished him. All right, we got a goal. Come on! No! No, I totally scored that on the wrong team. That was so me. See? Well, I don't know. Definitely made contact. Dang it. All right, now we're having some fun playing Fall Guys. I qualified in the first round. Believe it or not, I got number 3. So now we're playing a new level I've never played before, so this will be interesting. Let's go. Ooh, looks nice. Hey, cool. Oh, is this beginner's luck? I don't know. That was pretty good though. Nice. Hey, not bad. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what this is. There's a ball. All right. Are we gonna make it? No! No, we're not gonna make it. I just lost. So there's a lot to love about the Xbox Series X, especially when you price it out compared to a gaming PC. You'll appreciate the affordability of a console and system like this, capable of 4K 120 at a fraction of the price of a complete PC build. Now I know upgradability, longevity, all of that good stuff, but for the average consumer, this is a solid choice that's definitely budget friendly compared to GPU prices and things along those lines. Don't forget, you don't just have to download and digitally play your games. You do have the disc drive if you want to use a physical disc or watch Blu-ray movies, things along those lines. It's a very capable system, and I'm really pleased with the performance, and the interface is really nice. The last Xbox I used was the Xbox 360, so pretty substantial upgrades in my opinion. I really like this unit overall. There's a lot to love.